Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I am Joe Tigay here on the floor of the Cboe in the VIX pit where we're seeing a sideways action day. Now yesterday we had a very narrow range, which should be expected when you have the VIX sub 13. Of course, we're going to see low volatility. Now today we have the VIX exactly at 13 and the 4-month future at 15, so people are pricing in a little bit of a premium for the rest of the month, expecting maybe some volatility to revert to the mean. Now typically when I see a market top, I think there's a market relative low in the VIX. We haven't seen a confirmation of that. Today we had maybe a lower low on a very tiny short time frame and some choppy action this morning in the S&P 500. Didn't see the VIX over yesterday's high, so to me maybe we're still kind of figuring that out, and maybe we're still waiting to see market top. I mean, anybody's game. There just hasn't been any confirmation for that. Now, of course, the market's loving the fact that the Fed has been super dovish. The Fed gave 3 cuts. The Fed gave some QE. The Fed's ready to step in if the trade war gets worse. Now, the market, for its part, is saying, you know what, the economy looks strong enough to not justify any more cuts. We're seeing a big sell-off in bonds. We're seeing people pushing out those rate cuts all the way out into 2021, and the market is being fine with that. They're okay. I mean, rates are pretty low as it is. Maybe this is stimulus enough for that respect. So better for the economy, better for the market if the economy can pick up and be strong. So the last thing that will be people will be watching is, of course, the trade war. It's been on again, off again, phase 1, phase 2, tariffs on, tariffs off. Will it be a bigger deal? Will it be a smaller deal? Anybody's guess. I think if the tariffs come off, the market will respond very positively to that in the short term, so we'll be waiting to see if there's room to the upside for that. For Equity Armor's Investments, I'm Joe Tigay.